What's going on? Are we going somewhere fancy? Check this out. We're in that building over there. How do we get there? Let's go around the pool this way. Okay. Wow, look at this. This is our building over here. We're walking over. Yay! Oh, this is exciting. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Okay, hold on. Hold on, this is not our building. That's our building over there. Big Pine Key. That's our building. Okay. Coming back around. Other side of the pool. Okay. Ooh, by the lagoon. Very nice. Okay. So pretty. Here we are. Now we got it. Big Pine Key. This is us. Okay. And this is us, 9236. Let's go inside. Hey, bud. What's going on? Are we staying in a super fancy hotel? Oh my gosh, we are. We are at the Grand Floridian at Walt Disney World. Holy moly. Are you giving the room tour? Are we already starting with the bathroom? Okay, I guess we're gonna start with the bathroom. Ernie's gonna do the room tour. We're gonna start with the bathroom. We are first going to mention that the Grand Floridian here at Walt Disney World is not pet friendly. It is only for service dogs. Service dogs are the only pets allowed, which, you know, technically service dogs are not pets. So if you are a regular pet, you're out of luck. But service dogs, you are welcome to stay here at the Grand Floridian. That being said, let's continue on with the room tour. This is the beautiful bathroom, which is huge and wonderful. Gigantic mirror with all of these lovely designs. I love it, and it's light up, so pretty. 2 sinks with lots of counter space, amazing, and lots of towels underneath. Lots of things, lots of space. You have your bath soap, H2O+. You have a little mini mouthwash, vanity kit, cooling aloe gel in case you get sunburned. Never seen that before. That's going to be coming home with us. Body lotion and shower cap. Some additional towels over here on the wall. I love this Mary Poppins inspired artwork. It is awesome. And then here you've got a sliding door that will take you into where the shower and toilet are. This is not lock, but here you go. Here is your toilet. And then you have a very, very beautiful shower with 2 shower heads, a rainfall, and a handheld. Fancy. Very deep tub. Looks awesome. And your H2O Plus products there on the wall. Coming back around out into the, what would you call this? Foyer, maybe? You have another little lovely bench here for getting ready. Hello. Ernie's checking out the underneath space. Yeah, and another mirror. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Loads of space. I love this bench. It's so pretty. You can be getting ready while someone else is in here doing their shower and things. Lots of people can be getting ready. This room sleeps up to 5. And then you have a door over here, which if you were going to make this a 2-bedroom lock-off, that's your door right here. This is a studio. This is DVC, standard view. And you have your microwave over here, little coffee maker section, ice bucket, all of your coffee assorted goodies in this drawer here to make your Keurig. And then underneath here you have your chiller. And we've already got some of Ernie's food in there. There you go, lots of space. No freezer section, but don't worry about that because Bell Services as a freezer, and if you have medicine or something that you need to keep frozen, they can take care of that for you. Now, moving into the main room, we have 2 beds. Love it. Amazing. Ernie down here. So, buddy, it's hot outside. It is like 100 degrees. Legit 100 degrees outside. It's very warm. But he would also like to mention that there is ample storage space under here for your luggage. Yeah, you could totally fit bags underneath the beds. Anyways, coming on to the closets, over here by the bed, there are 2 closets. First, you have a double closet right here with extra pillow and blanket, a couple of robes, luggage rack, dustpan broom, lots of hangers to hang your clothes, another mirror. And then over here in this door, you have your steamer and your safe and 4 other shelves for storage. So lots and lots of places over here to put your things out of the way. Over here is a little tiny shelf for setting your electronic devices at night with little plugs underneath. 2 regular plugs, a USB, and a USB-C. Got a little light there and a reading light here. Pull out. One of these on both sides. Looking around here, got our big giant TV. We got 4 drawers with even more places to unpack and put your things. These are very deep, very large drawers. Fantastic. Then you have more drawers. Like I said, tons and tons of storage space here in this room. 2 more right here. Got your in-room dining menus. Any calls and phone information that you might need, your phone is right there. Remote for the television right there. I love this lamp. Check it out. Boom. Look at that. You've got Mary Poppins umbrella right there. So cool. And where is it on this side? Oh, no, just the Mary Poppins umbrella. I thought there was a hidden Mickey, but I just see the Mary Poppins umbrella. All of these rooms have been redesigned with a Mary Poppins theme, and I love it. All right, let's look out. Oh, wait, you know what? Let's show you guys the bed. This is the other bed. This bed, this couch right here pulls out to a 5th sleeper. So it's like the ones we've done in the past where you just pull this little lever right here and it folds on top of itself, makes a 5th sleeper. So you could sleep 5 in this room. And then you've got a little table right there to store more things. Another little shelf over here on this side with the same 2 plugs, USB, USB-C. Now, let's take a look at our view. Like we said before, this is a standard view. So we've just got a view of the other towers, a little bit of a lake view right there. Not bad at all. And a little bit of a pool view right over there. Not bad. This is very nice. We're on the 2nd floor. Let's come out here. And yeah, got a couple chairs. Sit out here, have your coffee. Really great. I like it a lot. Very excited to stay here. Okay. Bud. Where you at? Hi. Are you excited too? Are you checking out the view? It's pretty good, huh? Yeah, it's pretty exciting. I'm excited too. Okay. So we are going to be here for 2 nights. And then, oh, sorry, luggage. That's not beautiful. Let's go back over here to the beds that are beautiful. So as we said before, this is a DVC rental room. We used the DVC rental store to book the room. We are affiliates with them now, but at the time that we made this booking, we were not. So the price that we paid would be the price that you would pay if you were booking this room. And I gotta tell you, we still saved about 70% off of what Disney was offering on their website. So we highly recommend the DVC rental store. If you are interested, we will place an affiliate link in the description box below this video. Please use it and we will receive a commission if you decide to book a room. And we appreciate you supporting our channel. We made about relaxing, enjoying the atmosphere of this beautiful resort. We're going to be having some dinner later in the Grand Floridian Cafe. Very excited about that. But we're just wandering around the lobby now, checking things out. It's our first time staying here, so let's have a wander. Here by the walkway over to the Grand Floridian, which is this path right here, and this is where the service dog relief area is. It's this patch of grass right here. Come down over there from the main building, and you've got this whole area here. There's Ernie listening to the train from Magic Kingdom, and yeah, you would be walking that way if you were going to Magic Kingdom. You can see the monorail and the castle over there in the distance. And here's your service dog area, if you guys are staying here. It's pretty good. Real nice. Got some shade. Very good. I'll give you a better view of the castle. Zoom in. Beautiful. Very pretty day today. And we've made our way back inside. We're over here at our table at the Grand Floridian Cafe, ready for dinner. Very excited to eat here. It's been a long day. I'm starving. Ernie is over here taking a nap. He's like, Mom, you look good. I'm going to be over here off duty. Just let me know if you need something. We'll get to my dinner after you guys eat. Okay. Love you, buddy. So cute. Starting things off with a special occasion drink. This is our first time staying in this hotel, so it required a special occasion drink. Guys, this is a chocolate martini, and it is amazing. Cheers, everyone. Well, guys, dinner was amazing. I'm so full. It was so good. But now we're walking out of dinner, and check this out. Look at all of this heat lightning that is happening right now. I think there's a storm coming. Look, you can see Cinderella Castle there, and it's all getting lit up with all of this lightning. I think we're in for a storm. Let's go and take shelter inside our room and see what's going to happen. This is going to be a total bummer if there's a storm right now, because I think that because of where our room is, even though it's considered a standard view, I think we would partially have a fireworks view from the balcony, and I don't think they're going to set them off tonight if this is going to be a bad storm. So we'll see what happens. So just want to give a little update on our view. Actually, right now there's a giant thunderstorm, but if there was not a giant thunderstorm, you can see the castle right there in the middle. Look past the crane, and there's the castle. So, I'm wondering if there was not a giant lightning storm right now, if we would be able to see a little bit of happily ever after. Unconfirmed. But this is a standard view room, and I think we have a little bit of a partial theme park. Pretty cool. Let's see if this lightning storm can stop, and maybe we'll get a little fireworks. Stay tuned. Update, everyone. The rain has only gotten more aggressive and is really pounding us right now. We are in a shelter-in-place, hunker-down situation for the rest of the evening, and there will be no fireworks. Sad. But, consolation prize, we do have a clip of the Mickey's Not So Scary fireworks that you can see from the beach over here at the Grand Floridian. So even if you don't have a fireworks view, you can still watch the fireworks from the Grand Floridian beach and have an amazing time. We'll insert that right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys again soon. Cheers.